guys, welcome back. So today I'm here with my mom. Okay, actually I didn't even explain what we're doing. Okay, so in this video we're making Christmas sweaters. Ugly Christmas sweaters. And my brother got this last Christmas, but I'm stealing it. Okay, so I had to go and find cheap sweaters. Christmas sweaters. But I couldn't find any, so I got these. They'll do.
Okay.
Oh, they have a hot glue gun.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells.
Did you used to have traditions that you did every year? Like we sit on the stairs and wait until you light the fire.
No,
or like
our presents were left at the end of the bed by Santa.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Santa left them there because there was too many of us, see, and our house was really small.
Yeah.
So they wouldn't fit under the tree.
That still doesn't answer my question of traditions.
Okay, so the tradition was we went to bed. Well, we always had a bath on Christmas Eve, so not that we ever had a bath in our own bed.
I knew that.
Once a year. So tradition wise.
Ah. You painted my watch.
Oh, that's very silly. So that was it. So what about your tradition? Do you like your tradition?
I was sitting on the stairs waiting for about 5 hours for your parents to light a stupid fire.
That's a slight exaggeration.
Yeah, I love it. No, yeah, I know. It's different. It's better than waking up and just opening the present.
I like the way you and Adam kind of started doing it, where you open one present and the other person goes.
Oh yeah, that's the tradition.
Yeah, and the other person goes and you dig in your stocking and do one at a time.
Yeah.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
So, we finished decorating the jumpers and we let them dry.
All the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like this video, subscribe, comment anything you want or who won, and I will see you hopefully next Wednesday. I don't know. Bye. Sweaters. Yeah, I know, I got you a really small size.
That means small. What size did you get?
Extra small.
You want to say? 1 second. Oh, sorry. Excuse me.